Welcome to Dex Volume Bots, powered by Ranga Technologies. In today's video, we're diving into how Pump.Fun can significantly increase your token's volume, improve your ranking on platforms, and help attract new investors. We'll explore how volume, ranking, and holders can work together to boost your project's success. Pump.Fun is a platform designed to help token creators increase the trading volume of their projects. By using advanced automation and a powerful user base, Pump.Fun generates constant buy and sell activity for your token, simulating real trading behavior. This increased activity results in a higher volume, making your token more visible to potential investors. Now, why is volume so important? Volume is one of the key factors used by decentralized platforms and exchanges to rank tokens. A higher trading volume means more activity around your token, which in turn leads to a better ranking on platforms like Dextools and CoinMarketCap. Improved ranking increases your project's visibility to potential investors, making it easier for them to find and invest in your token. As your rank improves, your token is more likely to appear in trending sections and gain the attention of larger investors. One of the key strategies used by Pump.Fun is the creation of multiple wallets to hold your token. When your token is distributed across multiple wallets, it creates the appearance of a growing community of holders. This is crucial for increasing investor confidence. A higher number of holders can be an indicator of a strong and growing project. This strategy also helps in improving your token's ranking, as platforms take the number of unique holders into account when determining a token's rank. As your token gains more visibility and a higher ranking, new investors will start to take notice. When these investors buy your token, they add to the liquidity pool, making it easier for others to trade your token. More liquidity means fewer price fluctuations, creating a more stable and attractive market for potential buyers. As liquidity increases, your project becomes more robust, attracting even more serious investors who value stability and growth potential. Getting started with Pump.Fun is simple. Here's how you can increase your token's volume and rank using the platform. 1. Sign up and connect. Create an account on Pump.Fun and link your wallet to the platform. 2. Set your volume targets. Choose how much volume you want to generate for your token. 3. Activate multiple wallets. Distribute your token across several wallets to increase the number of holders. 4. Monitor your progress. Watch your token's volume, ranking, and liquidity grow in real time. With Pump.Fun, you can take your token to the next level by increasing its volume, ranking, and liquidity, making it more attractive to investors. If you're ready to boost your project's success, contact Ranga Technologies today to get started. Subscribe to our channel Dex Volume Bots for more insights and tools to help you succeed in the competitive crypto market.